Hello family. Today I'm going to make a Midwestern favorite, tater tot hot dish, but I'm thinking of changing it. You know that's me. Come join me. First step is hamburger and onions. Fry it up. Okay. I'm going to add a family-sized can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm also going to add to that a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of W sauce. Okay, I'm going to add some I'm going to add a little bit of cream to that, just a little bit. I'll leave this out in case I think I need some more, but I don't think I'm going to need some more of that. We'll see. I'm going to add some, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt because it had soy sauce in it. I did use a low sodium, but a little pepper. Turn that down a little bit. I'm going to add like a handful of cheddar cheese. Because there is going to be more cheese on it. I just want to add a little flavor to this part. Okay, now I'm going to add, and you can use whatever kind of beans you want. My husband likes the green beans in the can, and he likes them this cut. So I'm going to add that to that. And I'm going to give this a little stir. You know, there's nothing better than green beans cooked with like American cheese. Oh, that's the way I like my green beans. You can use cheddar if you want, but I like the creaminess of American or Velveeta. Okay, I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit. I got it on low. Now, we're going to go over here because this is what I'm going to do. This is the change I'm making. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to grease this pan. I'm using butter flavored Crisco. I don't use it very often, but sometimes I like to fry chicken in it if I don't air fry the chicken. And sometimes I use it like this for, you know, greasing the pans. I prefer to use olive oil, but not for this. Or baking. I don't use olive oil for baking. Okay, here's where it gets different. Put some tater tots in there. They were in the freezer. That's okay. We're okay with that. I'm going to try to get some of this. This will just turn into water, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I tried to thaw them out a little bit here, but they're still kind of frozen. So I don't think, let me see if this is going to work. Okay, no. All right, so I'm going to put these in the oven for a few minutes until they get thawed out, and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, now these are thawed out. Now you can avoid this little, if you take, you can avoid having to put them in the oven to thaw them out. Just take them out, let them thaw out on your own. But what I'm doing is here, I want to make a bottom crust, which I don't know. I've never seen it made like this, but whatever. I'm sure somebody, I can't be the only one to think of this. I'm just squishing these so that they, I want to make a bottom crust. Okay, now I'm going to put these in for a few more minutes just to kind of get a little toasty. Okay, this has gotten a little bit golden, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to put a little bit of cheese on it, because I want a little bit of barrier. Cheese makes a wonderful barrier for, so that your sauces doesn't soak in, like especially like with pizza. If you melt a little bit of mozzarella on your crust before you put the sauce on, just a little bit, just to make a little barrier, I think it works best. Now I'll put this in the oven and let this melt so just a little bit, just for a couple minutes. Okay. Now, I hope you can see this, okay? It's all melty. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this on top of this. There. Okay. Because normally this always went on the bottom and then tater tots on top. But I thought, you know what? This time I'm going to make it layered. More cheese, of course. All right, now we're going to put some tater tots on top. I think this is going to be really yummy. It's worth a shot. It's worth it. I always have to try, you know. Okay. Now when I put this back in the oven, I'm going to put this on a cookie sheet because it's very possible that some of the juices are going to spill over. And I don't like cleaning my ovens, so I try to keep it as clean as possible without having to. Okay, there's only a couple left. Let's just fill it up. There we go. Look at this little one. Oh, the star. All right, we're going to put this back in the oven until the tater tots are golden, because everything else is cooked. So we'll be back with them. Look at that. Ooh, we're going to let it cool, then we're going to try it. There you go. First bite. I gave some to my baby girl, my doggie, and she loved it. There you go. Mmm. Definitely that crust on the bottom is awesome. Mm-hmm. Just a small crust there on the bottom. See that? So good. See you next time for something different. Remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.